Most people believe that cars are designed to fail after 150,000 miles, that engines wear out, that parts fall apart, and that it's just time for a new one. But what if I told you that belief is wrong, dangerously wrong? Because the truth is, cars don't die of old age. They die of neglect. In this video, I'm going to show you 6 proven habits that drivers have used to keep their vehicles alive, running smoothly, and repair-free for over 500,000 miles. Not 300, not 400K, over 500,000. And no, these aren't secrets from a lab or race team. These are real habits from real drivers and mechanics who've beat the odds, and I'm about to hand them to you. But before we dive in, if you care about saving money, protecting your ride, and outsmarting planned obsolescence, make sure to hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss the bonus tip at the end that even veteran car owners overlook. Let's dive into the 6 habits that will make your car practically immortal. Habit number 1. Break up with your owner's manual, at least when it comes to oil. You've probably heard this. Just follow the manufacturer's oil change interval, 7,500 miles, maybe even 10,000 miles with synthetic oil. But what they don't tell you is this. Manufacturers design those intervals for warranty survival, not long-term engine health. They want the car to last just long enough, not forever. Real drivers who hit 500 miles. They change their oil every 5,000 miles, no matter what, even with synthetic. Especially if they * sit in traffic, * drive short trips, * live in hot or dusty climates. Why? Because oil isn't just lubrication, it's the lifeblood of your engine. When it breaks down, it allows metal-to-metal wear. You get sludge, seal failure, worn camshafts. One driver of a 1994 Toyota Camry hit 720,000 miles with just regular 5,000-mile oil changes and filter swaps. That's it. No rebuild. No drama. Just discipline. Want to double your engine's life? Change the oil like your engine depends on it, because it does. Habit number 2. Make your transmission immortal. Change the fluid before it cries for help. You'll never hear your transmission beg for mercy. It fails in silence. Then one day, slip, clunk, dead. Most people never touch their transmission fluid until it's too late. It doesn't look dirty. It doesn't smell. But inside, microscopic wear particles are grinding away your clutches and gears like liquid sandpaper. Smart drivers drain and fill their automatic transmission fluid every 50,000 to 60,000 miles. No flushes, no gimmicks, just gentle, scheduled service. Hybrids, maybe 90,000, but don't push it. And never, ever put universal fluid in a picky transmission. Always use OEM-specific fluid. Toyota WS for Toyotas. Honda ATFT11 for Hondas. No exceptions. Your transmission doesn't get a second chance. Treat it right before it makes you walk home. Habit number 3. Be a coolant king or queen. Flush it every 5 years, no matter what. Coolant isn't forever. It turns on you quietly. Modern coolants look pretty, pink, blue, orange. But under that color, acids build up. Protection turns to corrosion. And corrosion means rotted water pumps, blown head gaskets, and heater cores that don't heat. 500,000-mile drivers flush their coolant every 5 years or 50,000 miles. Not 100K, not lifetime. That's marketing. Watch for early signs. Asterisk random overheating. Asterisk coolant vanishing without a puddle. Asterisk white smoke from the exhaust. Don't wait until your engine starts weeping antifreeze tears. A $100 flush now is better than a $3,000 gasket job later. By the way, if this video is already giving you gold, hit that like button. It tells the algorithm you care about your car and keeps us making more content for drivers like you. Habit number 4. Feed your engine air. Clean the MAF and replace the filter. Engines don't just breathe, they calculate every gulp of air. That's the job of your MAF sensor, mass airflow. But over time, oil vapors and dust coat its fine wires. Suddenly, your engine guesses wrong on the fuel mix. The result? Poor mileage, hesitation, even stalling. Here's what high-mileage drivers do. Asterisk clean the MAF sensor with proper MAF cleaner every 25 miles. Asterisk replace the air filter every 15, 30 miles or sooner in dusty areas. It takes 10 minutes and can prevent years of fuel system wear. Combine this with spark plug replacements every 60 to 100 miles, and your combustion system stays razor sharp. Your engine can't breathe through a clogged nose. Let it inhale like it's young again. Habit number 5. Rust is not cosmetic. Wash the undercarriage religiously. You can't drive what's rusted to pieces. Especially if you live where there's snow, salt, or sea air, your undercarriage is slowly dissolving. Brake lines, fuel lines, control arms, exhaust hangers, they all rot silently. Drivers who pass 500,000 miles treat underbody cleaning like brushing teeth. Asterisk every season. Asterisk every winter month if you're in a snowy region. Asterisk after beach trips or muddy off-road drives. Some even apply rust-proof coatings after cleaning. Because what good is a perfect engine if the frame holding it collapses? Habit number 6. Build the one habit that ties everything together. Record everything. This last habit doesn't cost you a dime, but can save you thousands. Every 500 driver I've ever spoken to had this one ritual. They kept a logbook. Every oil change, every fluid flush, every tire rotation, mileage, dates, brands. Why? Because it. Asterisk shows you patterns. Egg, oil disappearing too quickly. Asterisk keeps you from forgetting critical services. Asterisk impresses buyers and mechanics alike. You can use a simple notebook, a Google Doc, or a car maintenance app like Simply Auto or Carfax Car Care. You can't fix what you don't track, and you can't outlast 500,000 miles without a map. So let's recap the 6 habits that'll turn your car into a long-haul legend. Asterisk oil changes every 5,000 miles. Asterisk transmission fluid drain and fills every 50-60. Asterisk coolant flush every 5 years. Asterisk MAF cleaning and air filter replacements. Asterisk seasonal undercarriage washes. Asterisk keeping a logbook like your car's life depends on it, because it does. Bonus tip coming next. There's one hidden engine killer that ruins your cooling system, even if you've done everything else right. Most mechanics miss it. I'll show you the 5-minute fix in our next video. Subscribe button and turn on notifications, because 500,000 miles is just the beginning. This is how you stop your car from being disposable and start making it legendary.